When your heart is raised to raise at the speed of light. When your heart is raised at the speed of light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe. Yeah, I'll keep you safe. I'll never let you go. When your heart is raised to racing at the speed of light. And you feel like you got nowhere else to go. When your heart is raised to race at the speed of light. When your heart is raised at the speed of light. When your heart is raised to race at the speed of light. When your heart is raised at the speed of light.
I'll keep you safe. I'll keep you safe. I'll never let you go. When your heart is raised to racing, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go.
When your heart is raised to race at the speed of light. When your heart is raised at the speed of light. When your heart is raised to race at the speed of light. When your heart is raised at the speed of light.
Lost track of the forest through the trees, forgot what I was chasing. Spent so many nights living out at sea that my heart is gone vacant. And everybody who was close to me all stayed on dry land. So now I'm driving back on Interstate West, I just gotta feel something. Not gonna wait till the morning, because something's gonna change my mind. I don't wanna change my mind. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life. Send my best friend an apologetic text, he says to come over. Well, the whole damn town has been waiting for the day when you would come back here. There was dancing and talking and steaks on the grill, and I think that I will be alright. And my ex from high school still looks just the same as she did back in 2009. Not gonna wait till the morning, let's never put the night on ice. Never put the night on ice. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life. And they all said I was crazy for leaving my money, but it never made me happy or loud. Life is inspired the way I once was. When I was stronger, I'd always take the long way home. But I know it won't get better, simply pretending I did well. I got to fight it and feel the sunshine reflecting off the windowsill. Sparrows flying up and over both our halos. I think we'll take a drive along the back roads, and I'll hold you close. I think I finally understand you're never too old to be young again. Maybe I will stop thinking about all the reasons why I should give up, and maybe that will allow me to work around me and keep all of your love. The smell of the air can still take you back there to when you didn't care. Sparrows flying up and over both our halos. I think we'll take a drive along the back roads, and I'll hold you close. I think I finally understand you're never too old to be young again. Hey, it's amazing the subtle games that you have played, and you don't even know I exist. But you have got me on your hit list, and you're conspiring. Girl, you are sexual and bad, and now you got this on your conscience. Because now I'm unresponsive. Oh, but call your mama, tell her you love her. That's not bad for you. Run through the fire, I'd walk the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home. We can feel the floor underneath our feet. Fire shots through my chest as you watch me bleed. Every kick, drum hit is a symphony. Every brush of your curves is the air I breathe. You speak, I am listening. Sweat rolls, girl, you're glistening. Slow-mo, pull me into the light, the light. There are people watching us, wishing they were obvious, instead of giving into the fright, the fright. Run through the fire, I walk the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home. One heart to survive when one just breaks. One slow suicide while one just takes and takes. One choice for the good of you, but not the one you make. One word dying for if you saw her shake, shake, shake. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. I am listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. You are glistening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. I am listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. That's my bed for you. Run through the fire. Out the wire. I would sell everything I own. I swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home. Run through the fire, out off the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home. Sometimes life can be so cruel. Keeps on reminding me of you. All of the sweet and sunny weather. Now all of the days turn shades of blue, girl. I did you wrong too many times, acting like you weren't on my mind. You had fallen for me hard, love. Oh, how I wish I'd seen it then. I should have picked up all the signals. Looking back still drives me crazy. Knowing that you were by my side, knowing that I took you for granted. Now she's on to me, selling make-believe like it's currency. I could lock the door, sweep her off the floor, but I can't control you. Jealousy, jealousy. Oh, I'm begging you, I'm begging you. Jealousy, jealousy. Oh, I'm begging you to stop making a fool of me. Of me. They tell me time can heal the wounded, but what if it cuts me way too deep? Can I the hurt with longer sleeps? I've been searching for your equal, someone who dresses just like you, laughs at a joke the way you do. Now she's on to me, selling make-believe like it's currency. I could lock the door, sweep her off the floor, but I can't control you. Jealousy, jealousy. Oh, I'm begging you, I'm begging you. Jealousy, jealousy. Oh, I'm begging you to stop making a fool of me. Tough times cause I'm never really sentimental. No vice in a vessel gonna make it better. Every moment I could've made a move, I should've crossed you over, left and maybe got you in my room, baby. Your eyes disappearing in a haze, your love going up inside the blaze. And now there is only me to blame for never speaking up the truth that I had always felt the same. Now she's chasing me, she's on every street in my memory. Lock her out, take the pictures down, but I can't control you. Jealousy, jealousy. Oh, I'm begging you, I'm begging you. Jealousy, jealousy. Oh, I'm begging you to stop making a fool of me. Of me.